How to use Capital One rewards to pay for purchases with PayPal. Step 1. Connect your accounts. To redeem your Capital One miles and cashback rewards for your purchases, connect your Capital One account to PayPal. Step 2. Select PayPal at checkout. After completing the registration, you'll have the ability to make online purchases at any retailer that supports PayPal as a payment method. When you're prepared to complete your purchase, simply choose PayPal as your payment method. Following that, pick your associated Capital One credit card and mark the Pay with Rewards option. Step 3. Choose the quantity of points you wish to use. You may select the number of rewards points to apply to each purchase. If your rewards balance falls short of covering the entire purchase, you can make a partial payment with your rewards, and the remaining purchase amount will be billed to your Capital One credit card.